What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell, so whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle. King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle X1M, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, the Hussle family, and turn motivation into means. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up. Alright, got a lot of fake King Hussle pages out there. Y'all keep getting scammed by them still, and I tell y'all how to find my real social media pages. So please, get a FaceTime verification call or video before you send your money to anybody to make sure you see this face, make sure you're doing legit business, and you're getting what you paid for, alright? Stop commenting and thinking that Telegram King, whatever, that be commenting under all my videos is me. Y'all gotta be more smart. If I comment under a video, my name, King Hussle, will be highlighted in bold. That means that I'm the actual account holder. Not Telegram spelled weird, King Hussle X1 or the real, none of that. Y'all gotta be more smart and more aware. And stop trying to send me money without even talking to me. That's weird, alright? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. Not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started. So, new day, new dollar, new money, new year, new everything, right? So everybody want to get this money. Everybody want to become multi-millionaires, millionaires, hundred thousandaires, and things like that, right? Everybody's definition of being rich is different. You might be somebody that says, hey, as long as I got at least $100,000 in the bank, I'm making a consistent amount of money to pay my bills and be fine and take care of my family and myself and can still invest. I'm rich. I'm good because I can do whatever I want to do still, right? Boom. Somebody else rich might be $20,000. Somebody's rich might be $10,000, right? So I've been making a lot of videos, and if you just not catching on, or if you've been catching on or watching my videos, you will understand that I preach business credit more than personal credit, because business credit is where you're going to get rich. Business credit is where you're going to get those major loans and major credit cards and lines of credit, the big funds. I'm easier than personal because, like I said, they got those bad credit personal loans and credit cards and things like that, but the utilization of those, you got to always remember this, always a utilization rate, right? So boom, if you're getting a $10,000 credit card on your personal side, the utilization rate is 10%. So if you got a $10,000 credit card, you're not supposed to be using more than $1,000 on that credit card. If you use more than $1,000 on that credit card, then it's going to start affecting your personal credit and negatively, right? We all seen it happen before. Vice versa, you get you a $10,000 credit card on the business side, you spend the whole $10,000. It doesn't matter. As long as you pay that $10,000 back before or on the due date, you're in good standing, and it'll reflect positively on your business credit, your paydex, your paynext score, right? And we all know, because I talk about it in almost every video, and you need at least an 80 or better paydex score to be in good standing for business credit, which is easy to build and get to, right? So a lot of people start businesses, LLCs and EINs, and they be like, oh yeah, I got a business, right? But they don't have capital. They need somewhere where they can get funded. They need somewhere where they can get the funds that they need to start building and growing their business. And a lot of people look towards loans and credit cards and things of that nature, not knowing that there's loans and credit cards that you can get with just your EIN number only. You just got to know where to go to get those type of loans and credit cards and funding. So today I'm going to be talking to you guys and giving you guys some gems that I've been using for my business, and a lot of other people that has been using for their business because they dropped me the gems. So I'm going to give the gems to you. It's a place called Hatch Funding. And basically all you really need is your EIN and the LLC. As long as you got your EIN and LLC, they'll work with you to getting the funds that you need to start providing for your business, to get it started, to get it funded, and start, becoming successful and being your own boss. Because we all know, if you're working a 9-to-5 or working a job or working for somebody, they're not going to put you in a position to become a millionaire. They're going to put you in a position to work for them and pay you these coins so you can help them run their business. Vice versa, if you run your own business, you're an entrepreneur, you have your own boss, you're paying yourself, you can pay yourself however much money you want to pay. It's just about what positions are you going to put yourself in. So today we're going to be talking about hatch funding, where you can get major funding for your business, bad credit accepted, no credit needed, no documents needed, stated income, fast funding, hundreds of thousands of dollars being provided on a daily basis from this place, and maybe you could be the next one to get funded. So long as you got your LLC and your EIN number, you qualify to getting funds from hatch funding. All right, so without further ado, let's check out hatch funding, who they are, what they're about, and how you can get your funds. Let's check them out. So today we're going to be talking about hatch funding. Take control of your funds. Hatch funding can provide immediate capital to operate and grow your business. Imagine the possibilities. You can start using your accounts receivable to buy more inventory, hire more employees, and grow your business today. Why wait 30, 60, or 90 days to get paid when you can have the cash in hand today? No accounts receivable is too small or too large. Contact us today for more information. So $1,000 to $1 million plus in advance is available. 100 plus businesses helped. 100% complete, secure. What is factoring, right? So it basically breaks down what is factoring. Factoring is a transaction in which a business sells its invoices or receivables to a third-party financial company known as a factor. The factor then collects payment on those invoices from the business's customers. Factoring is known as some industries as accounts receivable financing. Factoring allows your business to receive cash quickly on the receivables rather than waiting 30 to 90 days if it often takes customer to pay. Factoring allows you to quickly build up cash flow, which makes it easier to pay employees, handle customer orders, and grow your business. Factors enables you to receive a large percentage of the invoice amount, typically 75 to 85% within 24 hours. Your industry, your customers' credit histories, and other criteria determine the advance rate received. For example, let's say your company averages $100,000 in receivables each month. Usually very little of the collected monthly ends because customers wait longer than 30 days to pay. If you were a factor that $100,000 invoice, you will receive a cash advance between $75,000 to $85,000 in the bank at month's ends instead of zero. So then it just breaks down how it works. So how it works. Hatch funding is a business funding source that provides capital to both startups and well-established businesses based on their accounts receivables. Qualifying for funding is not dependent on credit scores, annual revenue, or number of years of business. All right, so EIN and LLC only. Let me read that for you again. Hatch funding is a business funding source that provides capital to both startups and well-established businesses based in their accounts receivables. Qualifying for funding is not dependent on credit scores, so you don't need no credit score, no annual revenue, or number of years being in business. All right, so 24-hour funding is available. 24-hour funding is available with no application fee, transaction fee, or minimum requirements. So invoice funding for government contracts. So if you have a government contract, you can get that. Invoice factoring for new and growing businesses. So cash flow is of the utmost importance of any new and growing business. Hatch funding gives you the confidence by providing you with cash options without you giving up control of your business. Our goal is to allow you to grow your business with confidence. All right, so hatch funding, personalized touch. We understand that every business is unique within the industry and may have customized invoices and approval processes. Hatch funding is sensitive to your customer payment process and can adapt accordingly. So it just goes into hatch funding, accessibility, extreme importance, invoice advances from $1,000 to $1 million plus. We can fund nearly every B2B business regardless of age, size, or credit, from startups to Fortune 500s, good or bad credit, most industries. All right, so ready to talk, tap in with call Hatch Funding 507. You ready to start getting your business funded? You ready to start getting the capital that you need to grow your business? You a new startup business or even established business? It doesn't even matter. Hatch Funding will give you the funds that you need to succeed and be successful without no credit score, without no annual revenue, without none of that. All right, so this is one of the gimmies, one of the secret hacks that a lot of people in the business world use. Hatch funding, basically free money for your business. Well, not free money, but they're giving you without all that haggle and all that. So tap in with Hatch Funding, get you some money in, go from there. Without further ado, let's talk about it. All right, so let's talk about it. Hatch Funding. They're giving out people up to $1 million+ in funding for small business, startup businesses. They don't care about your credit score. They don't care about how much money your business made. They don't care about how long your business been in business. Whatever you need, they got for you, all right? So as long as you got the paperwork, the documents that you need to provide to them so you can get the money that you need, you'll be A-okay. Minimum, slight documents, like barely no documents, all right? So make sure y'all tap in with Hatch Funding, man. A lot of people that I know in the business world use Hatch Funding if they just got their business started and they trying to get funds and they trying to, start it up on the right way and get the capital that they need to grow, so when they start getting loans, they already have a business established and it'd be easier for them to do the things that they need, all right? So make sure y'all really paying attention to this business credit, because business credit is what's going to get you millions of dollars, not personal, but business credit. Personal loans is a scam. Personal credit is a scam. They give you these credit cards, they give you these loans, but it's a utilization rate. You go over that utilization rate, it's going to affect your personal credit in a negative manner. Personal credit, credit cards and loans is for emergency purposes only. So that's why it affects your personal credit negatively. Vice versa, business credit, the money that they're giving you for business is meant to be spent so you can make more money to grow your business. That's why it's easier for people to get business loans and lines of credit and credit cards in the millions and hundreds of thousands on the business side. And you don't got to have a 800. All you have to do is have an 80. Easy as that. So credit is the #1 money game in the world. Always remember that. Business credit is what's going to get you rich, what's going to turn you to a millionaire. Once you start getting so much money, you're going to start thinking to yourself, like, all right, am I just going to buy stuff that doesn't matter, that's just going to depreciate? Or am I going to take this money and start investing and start making more money and passive income and things like that? Because a lot of people make money and they get money, but they just buy it on things that depreciate, and then they be back to square one. But some people understand that those things that they buy to depreciate, like jewelry and clothes and things like that, is not going to do anything for you. It's not going to make you any money. It's a receipt to say, I brought this expensive object, and now I'm going to wear the receipt to let you guys know I had this amount of money and I spent this for it just to show off and look good. It's not making me no money back. Pointless. That's why I try to preach to y'all. That's why I want to get to y'all in y'all head, that not everybody wants to be that person. I don't come from where y'all come from. I slept in a car for 8 months a couple years ago. I worked my way up. I grind. Now I got my own production company. Now I'm doing YouTube. Now I'm helping other people. I don't want to be that flashy person. I don't want to be that person. I want to let y'all know that I got it out the mud just like y'all can get it out the mud. Y'all can change y'all life just like this, just like I changed my life, just like this. It's easy. You just got to want to do it. So, shout out to all my real King Hussle fans, supporters, subscribers, new and old. Without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me keep going. Y'all motivate me keep dropping the sauce. And y'all motivate me keep y'all entertained. So, shout out to y'all. Anybody out there looking to get their credit less, it's going to be $600. You want to learn how to clean it, build it, grow it, get loans, credit cards, lines of credit, $600. Cash App or Bitcoin payment. Once the $600 is on your Cash App or Bitcoin balance, send me the screenshot, let me know your payment ready, and we're going to go from there. Anybody looking to get basic lessons, you want to learn one topic, you want to learn one thing, you want to learn how to do one thing, it's going to be $600. One topic, FaceTime 101, Cash App or Bitcoin payment. Once the payment is on your balance and your payment ready, send me the screenshot, we're going to go from there. Also, anybody looking to get unlimited gems, you want to learn about credit, how to clean and build it, you want to learn how to make passive income, you want to learn how to make thousands of dollars a day off social media, you want to learn how to, whatever you need to learn, unlimited gems, man, tap in, $1,200, FaceTime 101, Cash App or Bitcoin payment. Also, get y'all mentorship. It's going to be $2,500, Cash App or Bitcoin payment. You're going to get all the limited gems. I'm going to teach you about the DW, and we're going to make these YouTube automation channels together and split the payments down the middle. So if it's making $10,000, you get 5, I get 5. Easy as that, all right? Also, make sure y'all book y'all see on a crypto tour. $3,500 in-state, $4,500 out-of-state. If I come out-of-state to you, it's going to be $4,500. If you come in-state to me, it's going to be $3,500. $500 deposit, the rest of the money when we meet in person. All right, so make sure y'all book y'all see on a crypto tour, Cash App or Bitcoin payment. Still looking for people for the production company. Still looking for people to grow and build with. So any actors, rappers, singers, models, producers, cameraman out there, tap in. Music reviews, $200. Any beautiful ladies out there, any models out there ready to grow, travel, build your brand and your platform, tap in. Let's work. We're going to be doing a lot of blogs, interaction with the fans, music videos, traveling, interviews, a lot going on. All right, so let's work. Let's get this money. You got a good attitude, I can work with you. But you got a bad attitude, I can't work with you. You got a good head on your shoulders, let's work. Can't be corrected, you can't be directed. Easy as that. A lot of women out here be having bad attitudes or don't be serious about nothing. I don't have time for that. So if you really serious about elevating and growing, tap in, let's work. All right, any cameraman out there, tap in, let's work. Now listen, I got some special deals going on right now on my Telegram, so make sure you don't miss out. Anybody out there want to get the Cash App glitch and want to learn how to make 10K a week all profit, you can even make 10K a day all profit. Plus one free full, $250 Cash App or Bitcoin payment. Once the $250 is on your Cash App or Bitcoin balance, send me the screenshot to let me know your payment ready. We can go from there. If you write me not sending me that screenshot, you will not get a response. Only contact me on my Telegram. The link is in all my video descriptions. And if you go to my community post on my channel, you will find my Telegram in the post in there, all right? So there's no way for you guys to keep falling and getting scammed by these fake King Hussle Telegrams, YouTube, Instagrams, and none of that, all right? My Telegram is not King Hussle nothing. The real King Hussle nothing. So if you're talking to a Telegram with the name King Hussle, that's not me. Be more smart, be more aware. The links are in my video descriptions, my Telegrams, in my IGs, and my links is in my community post. So make sure y'all go follow them links. You want free methods, tap into my IG. Go run them followers up. I got a free method for you. But like I said, you want to run them bands up, either you're going to hate or you're going to come get you a dinner plate. Y'all see everybody out here doing it and getting some money, so don't be left out. Cash App glitch, how to make 10K all profit a week or even a day, plus one free full, $250 Cash App or Bitcoin payment. You're not going to get this deal nowhere else. So don't miss out. Come be a part of the winning team. Come run them bands up and come change your life. It's your boy King Hussle. Y'all know how I get down to any of these videos. I'll see you at the next. Peace.